This one, I hear some strange noises. Hear this? It might be the reason why they put something in my server. Stay tuned and watch out. I was just strolling around, minding my own business. This morning, but as I was clicking around, clicking every button, unknowingly my backpack was found an admin. We should spawn in a couple of minutes. I'm pressing everywhere. I was like scrolling and scrolling. You see this? These are After Effects. This guy must be the reason why my brother got kicked out of the server. This isn't supposed to be it. So I might be never seeing him after this video. Alright, bye and take care.